Sophia? Hi.
Hi, Bea. Happy New Year's Eve.
New Year's Eve, invitation, dinner. I invited you?
Yes, that's right.
Oh no, I completely forgot.
That sounds very you.
That is exactly me. Please come in before I forget again.
Looking at your kitchen, it feels like the entire island just had dinner here. There's barely anything left. So, what exactly are we supposed to cook our New Year's Eve dinner with?
Yeah, I honestly don't know. It's not usually like this. But my mom's been away this week and I got a little lazy.
Just a little? Seriously, let me ask you something. If I hadn't come over tonight, what were you planning to eat?
Probably a hamburger, or honestly, just a glass of water, and then I'd go to bed with an empty stomach. I'd tell myself I'd make up for it tomorrow morning with a huge breakfast.
Bea, that kind of eating habit is going to ruin you someday.
Hey, I'm still alive.
Still, it's the last night of the year. You should at least eat properly. Treat your body a little better before the year ends.
Yeah, you're right. But clearly, we can't cook anything tonight, so plan B.
Plan B?
We order food. We'll still have a New Year's Eve party, just a fast food version.
Well, what else can we do? So, how did it go?
Not great. I called 3 different places. None of them can deliver at this hour.
Yeah, that's true.
I guess it makes sense. It's the end of the year. They're probably busy or closing early so the staff can go home. The delivery people, too. They probably want to be home with their families tonight. Wait, Mateo, do you remember him?
Mateo?
The delivery guy from before. Maybe he knows somewhere that's still taking orders.
It doesn't hurt to try.
Hey, Beatrice.
Mateo, quick question. Is there any chance we can order food right now?
Right now? At this hour? That's going to be tough. People are already getting ready to head home. You do know what day it is today, right?
Yeah, that makes sense.
So why are you trying to order food this late anyway?
It's a long story. I'll tell you later, but Sophia and I are kind of stuck at my place, hungry and just trying to find something to eat.
That's rough. Yeah, I'm really sorry, but there's just no way to order food at this hour anymore.
It's okay. Thanks anyway, Mateo.
Never mind.
The news wasn't great. What a letdown. I can't believe this, Sophia. I forgot about tonight. And now you're here on New Year's Eve with nothing to eat. I invited you. I promised I'd cook something special, and I completely messed it up.
Hey, it's really okay. Dinner is only one part of the night. Sitting here, talking together, that matters too.
Yeah, but it still feels bad. New Year's Eve is supposed to be different.
That's exactly why it's special. It's a night for being together, for talking about the year that passed, and wishing each other good things for the year ahead. Health, luck, and more moments like this.
When you say it like that, it doesn't sound so terrible anymore.
See? You're already feeling better. So, do you have any wishes for the new year?
Right now, I only have one wish.
Oh, what is it?
A hot, warm, delicious meal right in front of me.
Don't waste your wish like that.
Huh? Who could that be?
At this hour?
Hey Beatrice, Happy New Year!
Mateo? What are you doing here? Why are you visiting me this late?
Well, I figured you and Sofia wouldn't be able to find any food tonight, so I thought I'd bring some to you.
Mateo! Oh my God, you are a lifesaver.
Come in, please. Hi, Mateo. We were just about to give up completely.
Okay, I have to ask, what is this? I mean, it looks like a pot, but also like a science experiment.
I've never seen anything like this before.
It's called hot pot. You heat up this pot of soup, then you add the ingredients little by little. Vegetables, meat, mushrooms, potatoes, corn. You wait until everything is cooked, take it out, and enjoy it while it's hot.
It feels very warm and very comforting.
The most important part is the soup. It has different spices mixed together. That's what gives it the flavor.
I like that everyone shares the same pot. It's really good.
Oh, wow. Okay, this is officially the best meal I've ever eaten. You should open a restaurant. I would come here every day.
Yeah, I agree with Bea. This is delicious. I think food tastes better when you eat it together.
The best meal is always the first one after you've been really hungry.
So we just sit here and cook our dinner together? Honestly, that sounds kind of perfect for tonight.
Wait, did you guys hear that? It's almost midnight!
Happy New Year!
Sofia here. Thank you everyone for watching. If you find this video interesting, please help Team Sofia by clicking like and subscribe.